So I'm here at Find Your Center in Pasco, and I'm going to teach you a stretch for the quads that you can do with a ballet bar or with anything similar like a railing on a stairwell, a couch, a piece of furniture, anything that it's okay to put your foot on and then you can hook your foot over. So the idea is the same thing as what you've probably seen before, where you hold your foot like this and you get a nice stretch in your quads. But when you have a bar or something similar that you can rest your foot on, then you can get an even better stretch because your muscle will be relaxed. So you turn with your back to the bar and you just hook your foot over it like this. Make sure that your